Okay, so next question. Where do you see the ETH BTC ratio reaching at its, sorry, okay, so basically ETH versus Bitcoin. Bill, what do you think about ETH versus Bitcoin?
Oh, I mean, ETH versus Bitcoin is the ultimate question, and has also been sort of like creating rapid aging with me. I swear. Right. If you would have told me that Bitcoin would have gone to 50,000 and ETH would still be in the neighborhood of its all-time high, I would have said you were out of your mind. This is ETH BTC. Okay. I'm trying to get a 2-day chart pulled up here. Now, we have a saying on the stream. I know that everyone's heard, the bigger the base, the higher into space, right? So ETH versus BTC has not done much. It tried to break out over here. I literally thought ETH was going to 5,000 when this thing broke out. I literally did. And then apparently this gas fee issue, ETH got absolutely wrecked. It was like a false breakout. And I'm looking at this and I'm like, okay, well, you know, they scared everybody, and ETH versus BTC around 0.03 is probably support. So maybe it's going to stabilize from here and go higher. But to this person's question, I mean, there is going to come a day, right? Like it almost breaks my computer to have to try to draw how far ETH BTC can go to get back to its all-time high. I mean, everything is at an all-time high except ETH versus BTC. This is why when everyone's like, oh yeah, it's over for ETH, it's Cardano, it's Binance Coin. Okay. I don't have any problem with competition. I don't have any problem with the market moving a solution to a pain point. But when I look at this chart, when I look at what Bitcoin has done with Ethereum being left in the dust simply over transaction fees, I mean, that's like saying the stock market was no good in the 80s because you had to pay $300 to do a stock trade. There's plenty of people who wanted to play. So I don't understand why ETH is underperforming Bitcoin. I just know this. The day ETH starts to outperform Bitcoin, you're going to want to own ETH, and you're going to want to own all the small coins that are coming out that very few people are talking about, all right, that can leverage, you know, the new frictionless version of ETH. Yeah, I know it sounds like, okay, yeah, the guy's going on and on and on about it, but I'm doing it while I'm making you look at this chart, because this thing where like ETH versus BTC sits in this range, this is what absolutely every altcoin looked like for either weeks, months, or years. Cardano, Ravencoin, a lot of this stuff that's mooned, sat down there dead for a long time. Matic coming back, right? Polygon now. All of these coins do this sort of basing formation. So, you know, when ETH BTC wakes up, you'll know.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.